ChatGPT versus Gemini 3. Today we're going to be comparing these two AI tools. Let's see which one can make the best Roblox game in just 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the prompt we're going to be using for our Roblox game. As you can see, you are a lead game architect and 3JS expert. Okay, so build me an open world Roblox game. As you can see, so we'll copy this prompt. We'll head over to our first AI tool, just ChatGPT. We'll paste in the prompt and we'll let it cook. I mean, uh, till now, ChatGPT has been a disappointment. Like seriously, it has been a serious disappointment. I don't know what to say. So please, ChatGPT, I don't know if let's beg ChatGPT to actually give us something nice. It's been long I actually saw ChatGPT do something nice, so I'm hoping on this. Okay, so the HTML will copy, we'll enter our VS Code, we'll paste in. Same thing for the styles. We copy, we paste, and our main.js, which we are using 3.js. So let's just ensure that it's done generating our code. Okay, it's done. We paste it here. Okay, and we'll check our HTML to see that our script and our CSS are properly linked, because if we don't do that, then it won't work. So yes, okay, put in the correct path. Same thing. CSS. Nice. Okay, we're good. So let's see if we can get a better game. Running my server and just, oh god, please don't be bad. Okay, Roblox Lite. Okay, why is it the light version? I mean, somebody help. Okay, so let's just start the game.
What?
Okay, so starting with from what I'm seeing here, I mean, what is this? No movement, no controls, nothing, just a blank blue space, and I mean, block a held bar, and that's all. So once again, ChatGPT is a disappointment. But let's see, let's just try and tweak it a little bit and see what we got. So I'll head over to ChatGPT again and let me just tweak the prompt a little bit. So I'll say I just get blue interface with a little health bar and no character and NPCs, no buildings, everything is just blank. So fix it. Okay. So this is just one chance we're giving ChatGPT to actually fix that stupid game which it made. So I'm expecting this to be good. Okay. Let's see. So it has given us a fixed working version from what it says. Hope it works. So we'll copy the code, the HTML, head over to our VS Code, erase the old one, paste in the new one, ensure our script is properly connected, it's properly linked. Okay, same for our CSS. Okay, there we go. Head back to chart, get the new CSS, VS Code, select all, paste the new one, select all, erase, head over to our website, chat, copy in the new one, and we paste. Okay, so before I rerun this code, please make sure you smash on the subscribe button. I mean, it takes me a lot of time to do these videos for you, so please support me. Like, share the video, comment which game you want to see next. Okay, so let's go running our server again. Hope this doesn't turn out bad. Okay, Roblox Lite. Okay, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This still turned out bad. I mean, what is this? ChatGPT just can't get this right. I just have a box which rotates and a little help bar. But actually, when I refresh the page, it shows me some kind of green stuff there, no collider. I just pass through and sink in. Oh my god, this is so bad, guys. This is so bad. Okay, so that was the last chance which I gave ChatGPT. It's just not getting this right. So I'll move on to the next AI tool, which is my boy Gemini 3. Okay, so I started a new chat. I'll head over to our prompt. I'll copy it, paste in the new prompt. Make sure you're on thinking mode. We don't want something fast to respond. We want it to actually take its time and solve the problem. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so it's done with the HTML. I'll copy it, head over to our VS Code, erase the trash which ChatGPT gives me. I mean, okay, our links, make sure it's properly linked. Same with the CSS. Okay, erase everything given to me by ChatGPT. Paste Gemini's version. Impress me, Gemini. Okay, same with the main.js. Let's just copy the JavaScript. Don't forget, this isn't plain JavaScript. We're using the 3.js library. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so let's see what we get. I'm actually quite excited about this. So, okay, running our server. There we go. Roblox Live. Oh my god. Voxel World Explorer. Use WASD to move, space to jump, mouse to look. There we go. Start the game. Oh my god. Okay, so we in. Oh, guys, like seriously.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
This deserves some round of applause for Gemini. The game, the goat. Can I actually jump? Let me see. Yeah, I do, and it's working properly. Yeah, I can move my camera. We got like some little NPCs, though they are floating. I don't know why. God help us. Okay, but this is a pretty good experience. I mean, with a little bit of tweaking of our prompt, we can get a whole environment and everything. The camera motion is good. Yeah, it looks like Cinema Machine for those who have been using Unity to code games. Yeah, this is a good experience. I approve. And it didn't even need a second chance to do this. I mean, just the first prompt I gave it, and we already get this. So you can imagine what we can do with this, guys. This is crazy. Then our character has a little walk animation. We've got some shadows. Yeah. Okay, so it's a win. It's a win for Gemini 3. What ChatGPT gave me was awful, guys. So just comment what you think about this and tell me which AI tool you actually think won. Because for me, Gemini 3 all day. And don't forget to smash on the subscribe button, like the video, share the video, and thank you for watching. Happy New Year in advance.